Christina. Welcome or welcome back. This is Christina's Crafts and I am in my craft room all ready to go. So stick around and check out what I'm gonna make. Hi and welcome to my channel. Again, if I didn't already say that in my introduction video, today I'm going to be making a little bit of home decor. I'm going to be using one of these frames that I got from Dollar Tree. I have one all set that I'm going to use. And I did take this little clip off of here. If you look, you can see it's just a little screw right there that comes out, but it does leave a hole. But that's gonna get covered up, so I'm not super worried about that. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my frame here and I am going to try as best as possible to put these on so they're all across from each other and spaced decent apart, just to give the frame a little bit more character. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue all of these down. Okay, I have all of them on there. They're not probably as straight as I would have liked them, but I don't usually put anything on straight. So next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Waverly Antique Wax and I am going to stain my wood a little bit darker. So I'm gonna do the front part and the half beads and the inside of this and the outside here. It is all done. I'm just gonna let it sit there and dry for a little bit. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Inspire sign that I got from Dollar Tree and I'm gonna put a coat of this Waverly silver lining on there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my time and paint this. Okay, I got this ribbon from Joann before they closed and I'm going to be using that, but if you don't have that you could just use some burlap. That would be perfectly fine. I'm going to flip this over and I am going to hot glue this. I'm going to try to get it straight first where I want it. Trying to line it up. Okay, and then I'm gonna put some hot glue on here, and then I'm gonna pull this as tight as I can. And hot glue that down. And then I am going to pull this other end here. And this one is gonna have to get pulled super tight. Yeah, my little stand here is kind of in the way. All right, and then I am going to stick some hot glue on here and glue those together. And hopefully I got it tight enough. Well, that should be fine. All right, I'm just gonna make sure this is totally secure back here with my hot glue. My hot glue gun is like super hot. It takes a while to cool off the glue, and if it gets stuck to your hand, it'll burn you. All right, looking good. Okay, then the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my little Inspire here, and that is gonna go on the front. So I'm just gonna stick a few lines of hot glue on here. Ow, and burned myself. This glue gun is so dangerous. All right, and right there it's gonna go. Okay, and then I am gonna cut the stem off this flower. You can use any flower that you want, really. And then I'm gonna stick a little hot glue on here to make sure that my flower doesn't fall apart. And then I am going to just put a bunch of hot glue on there, and it is gonna get stuck on my sign. Right about there. All right, and that is it. It's just a cute little sign that you can set out anywhere, any time of the year, basically. But yeah, that's it, and that's all I'm gonna do to this one. The only other thing you could do is if you wanted to, you could take some twine and do a hanger for it and hang it on the wall. And if you want it, which I was gonna do, I was gonna make 2 of them so I could hang them both on the wall next to each other, but then I decided to just make one that I can just stand up anywhere. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and it would be great if you liked the video and shared it. And thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.